Hi there, welcome to Zudos African TV, Zudos African Label TV actually. I just want to welcome you guys to our new dispensation. We are starting our Edo language class next weekend, which is the weekend of 6th and 7th. It's going to be all fun. We're going to be teaching children how to make our okuku head, the donut head that we normally wear during our marriage ceremony or all other ceremonies. We're going to teach children how to make the okuku head, how to put it on somebody's head, or how to do the artificial one that you can wear as ready-made. We also want to teach kids how to dance Edo cultural group. So we are starting up Zudos Edo cultural group. And that Edo cultural group is going to be sponsored by Childhood, Women and Youth Foundation. It's a non-profit organization that is set out to help us to keep our cultural heritage on point, and we want to make sure that all the newcomers that are coming from Nigeria, specifically coming from Edo, we want to be sure that our children know how to dance Edo cultural group. They know how to dance Edo cultural dance, and then they also know how to speak the language, and at least to exchange pleasantries, and then we'll teach them one-on-one the meaning of diacritic, how diacritic affects our pronunciation. We teach them Edo voice, we teach them Edo consonants, we teach them Edo singular and plural. Wayabota Makiaswe iwe mionge emo is Edo. Iwe mini akete Ununozedo kene Ebunozedo. I'm the author of Ununozedo and Ebunozedo. So we're going to be doing the practical one instead of them watching us online. I'm going to be teaching the children how to pronounce their names, how to pronounce Edo words. We'll start with 2-letter words, just like you have the Queen's Premier. Then we'll do the vowels, consonants, and what have you. And then we'll also teach them how to make some Edo food. So we encourage the bigger ones to do the food handlers test online before they come, so that we can teach them how to make our soup, how to make our food, how to exchange pleasantries, greetings from different families, and so on and so forth. So we'll be shooting the Google Doc form online for parents to register their children. It's going to be 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening. So it's either you are registered for the morning class or you are ready to do the evening class, which is either 10 to 12 or 3 to 5. So parents can drop their children off, and we'll have snacks, water, and drinks available for them. Thank you very much. Thank you.